going to be a very interesting video on how agents can use AI. This is not a video on using AI for marketing purposes for an agent. That's a whole another video. This is a video of how you can use AI as an estate agent to get a better price for your client's property, how you can market their property better, and the uses of AI within the real estate industry. So my name is Ashley D. I work at Rematch Property Associates in the Global Tableview area. Please, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. It's going to be lots of interesting information. And if you're thinking of selling your property, please give me a call. We use lots of new technologies and new ways of doing business. And I hope you enjoy this video. So technology is changing at a rapid rate. As estate agents, you need to keep up with what's happening in the technology world. There's Instagram, Facebook, YouTube marketing, website marketing. There's tons of different new technologies coming up every day. But AI is extremely exciting. And as an agent, I've been embracing it a long time already, since it started. So you get different types of AI. You get ChatGPT, you get Google Bard, you get Microsoft Bing has. So choose one, find which one works best for you. I've been using Google Bard, B-A-R-D. You can just search in the Google search for Bard and it'll come up. So what happens is you get a prompt screen and you can type in on your listing a listing description. And you can just type in Google Bard. You could say, give me a great listing description for a 3-bedroom house with a pool in Tableview. And it'll write you a great listing description. The more information you can give it, the better. You could write your own listing description, quite a long listing description, and you can put that into Bard and say, as a sentence at the top, please improve on this listing description, and it'll write you out 3-4 different options of great listing descriptions. So you could leave it there and you'd have a great listing description. How I do it differently though is I look for keywords within the listing description of how you're going to target buyers that are reading through this listing description. So people don't read a listing description, they more or less scan it, and if they're interested they'll start reading. So your heading is very important, and then when you read through it, it's using words like beautiful or contemporary or authentic. So knowing which keywords are going to be your highest converting keywords makes a big difference. And this is where Google Bard comes in, is that you can get it, if you know how to use it, high converting keywords, and then how to use those keywords within that listing description to get the best responses you can. So it's a new tool. It's great. It's great also for agents to market themselves and set up sales letters and how to find different ways to market themselves that are going to work. So it's a new technology. I'm using it. I'm sure a lot of agents will start using it. It's the future. There's lots of new technologies also coming out that'll branch around that. So if you're interested in selling your property, give me a call. I can write you a quick listing description through AI. And yeah, my name is Ashley D. And if you're thinking of selling your property, or you'd like a valuation, or you'd like to chat, or get some information about property, please give me a call. And yeah, I hope you have a good week. Thank you.